In Riverside County, there's a court backlog so huge, hundreds of cases are being dismissed and people who were arrested for serious crimes are being set free. And that includes a sexual battery case that was dismissed simply because there wasn't a judge or jury to hear the case. KCAL9's Rick Montanez is live in the newsroom now with that story. Rick?
And Pat, good evening. This is all part of a larger issue, partly to do with the pandemic when cases were put on hold. But several experts I talked with today said Riverside Superior Court continued that practice far too long, and now there's a seemingly impossible backlog resulting in those cases getting kicked. A sexual battery case dismissed. The suspect set free. The victim left with no justice and no peace. The Riverside County District Attorney Mike Hestrin says the case was continued first when the court's third-party vendor didn't bring in a jury. The next day, all charges were dropped, along with the victim's restraining order against the suspect, because there were no available courtrooms. It's not the first time in Riverside County. In October, we reported over 200 cases were dismissed. The reasons? A chronic shortage of judges, COVID continuances, and a lack of courtrooms.
Riverside County knew that this was going to be a problem. They had 2,800 cases, 18 courtrooms, and they did nothing to stop this backlog.
Alexandra Kazarian is a criminal defense attorney. She's tried cases in Riverside and has seen the backlog firsthand.
This is something that was absolutely foreseeable, and literally every single day that goes by, the backlog gets bigger.
Advocates say the victims are sometimes overlooked in criminal cases. They're unsure of their rights, they are overwhelmed, and this could frighten victims even more.
It is very devastating for a lot of victims to have to experience certain things in the criminal justice system, especially seeing cases getting dismissed where basically they feel like the system's saying, well, what happened to you is not important. It's not even a crime in our eyes.
The alleged sexual battery victim issued this statement. I do not agree with the court's decision, and I am disappointed that justice was not served. He is now a free man in the community who received zero consequences. Loyola law professor Jessica Levinson says this appears to be a long-standing problem with no easy fix.
It looks like the issue with the jury summons was maybe a one-off. That is easier to fix. But when it comes to a lack of availability of judges and courtrooms, that's not going to change overnight.
Hestrin said in a statement, this crisis is unacceptable and only adds to the daily toll of cases being dismissed by the courts. The toll is real for all involved. In October, when we first told you about the hundreds of dismissed cases, we spoke to Richard Lilia, hit and injured by a suspected DUI driver. His case was tossed.
It was dismissed, and it was really quite sad.
So that sexual battery case cannot be refiled because it's a misdemeanor charge. The DA's office says the public is owed an explanation. So I reached out to get a response to this dismissal from Riverside Superior Court. A spokesperson says they are looking into it. Advocates also say victims should seek out resources to understand their rights in a system that can oftentimes be overwhelming. In the newsroom, Rick Montanez, KCAL9 News.
Rick, thank you.